Hey everyone, today we're diving into a topic that just about everyone has an opinion on. Car insurance. Yep, that thing that's legally required, costs you a good chunk of change, and often leaves you wondering, is it really worth it? Is car insurance just another way for big companies to make money, or is it actually protecting you? In today's video, we'll break down how car insurance actually works, where your money's going, and whether or not it's really the scam some people claim it is. So buckle up, because by the end of this, you'll know if car insurance is friend, foe, or something in between. Let's get started. What is car insurance? The basics. Let's start with the basics. Car insurance is a contract between you and an insurance company. You pay them a monthly or annual premium, and in return, they promise to cover certain expenses if you get into an accident or if something happens to your car. Pretty straightforward, right? But here's the catch. You might pay for car insurance every month and never get into an accident. In fact, that's the goal. Insurance companies are betting that most people won't need to make a claim, which is how they make money. So if you're paying for years and never have an accident, you might start feeling like you're throwing money away. And that's where the scam feeling comes in for a lot of people. Why do we need car insurance? So why are we required to have car insurance? Imagine this. You're driving down the road, minding your own business, and someone rear-ends you. Suddenly, you've got thousands of dollars in repair costs, medical bills, and who knows what else. Car insurance is designed to prevent these situations from becoming a financial disaster for both parties. In most places, it's legally required to carry at least liability insurance. This is the type that covers damage you cause to others. In some places, you're also required to have personal injury protection, which covers your own medical expenses after an accident. The whole idea is that car insurance is meant to protect you financially and protect others from your mistakes too. But do these benefits justify the cost? Let's break it down. Where your money goes. So you might be wondering, if I'm paying all this money and not making a claim, where is my money actually going? When you pay for car insurance, that money goes into a big pool with everyone else's premiums. The insurance company uses that pool to pay for claims made by policyholders who actually do get into accidents. But not all your money goes to claims. Some of it covers the insurance company's operating expenses, things like salaries, marketing, and, yes, profit. They're in the business to make money after all. And that's part of why insurance can sometimes feel like a bit of a scam. You're paying into a system that, ideally, you'll never use. How they calculate your premium. Ever wonder why your insurance premium is so high or low compared to someone else's? Insurance companies are all about statistics. They use complex formulas to assess your risk level based on things like your age, driving history, location, and even your credit score. The more risk factors you have, the more you're likely to pay. It can feel unfair, but these companies are trying to predict who will need to make a claim and who won't. And the more likely they think you'll make a claim, the more they'll charge you. What you're really paying for. Car insurance isn't just one blanket thing. It's actually made up of different types of coverage, and each one covers specific situations like liability insurance, collision coverage, comprehensive coverage, and personal injury protection, PIP. Why do some people call car insurance a scam? Here's where it gets interesting. There are a few reasons people think car insurance is a bit of a ripoff. Unlike, say, a gym membership where you can go anytime, you're paying for car insurance with the hope that you won't need it. If you go years without an accident, it's easy to feel like you're throwing money away. Sometimes your premium goes up even if you've never made a claim. This can be due to changes in the market, inflation, or adjustments in the company's risk models. And yes, it's frustrating. Insurance companies are notorious for scrutinizing every detail of a claim, sometimes dragging out the process or offering lower payouts than expected. They're trying to minimize payouts to stay profitable, but this can leave policyholders feeling cheated. At the end of the day, insurance companies are businesses. They're there to make money, which can feel at odds with the idea of them protecting you. Is car insurance actually a scam? So is car insurance really a scam? Well, not exactly. While there are definitely parts of the system that can feel unfair, it's not a scam in the traditional sense. You're paying for a service that has the potential to save you financially in the event of an accident. But it's also true that insurance companies are profit-driven, and their interests may not always align with yours. If you never get into an accident, car insurance may feel like a waste of money. But if you do get into a serious accident, that coverage could be a lifesaver. It's a bit of a gamble, which is why some people resent it. So is car insurance a scam? Not quite, but it's easy to see why people feel that way. It's a necessary expense with a lot of fine print and sometimes frustrating rules. But understanding how it works and how to make it work for you can make paying those premiums feel a bit more worthwhile. Let us know in the comments what you think. Is car insurance worth it or just a necessary evil? Thanks for tuning in, and remember to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more insights into the world of money, life, and beyond. Catch you next time.